Selamat sejahtera, nama saya Muhammad Iqbal bin Ali. Saya dari tahun 4. Hobi saya adalah melayari internet untuk mengetahui segala apa yang ada di daerah Sarawak. Saya merasa bangga dapat menjadi Frog Student Champion. Saya akan berusaha memperkenalkan Frog VLE kepada semua kawan-kawan.
Hello, my name is Narshini. I am from grade 5. My hobby is surf the internet, so I love to surf Frog is their website. Frog is my favorite activity is sport. Thank you, Frog is your
Hi, my name is Irene Hafizah binti Husaini. I am from year 6. As a head frog student champion, I have many responsibilities. I have to guide my fellow frog student champion to carry out all the activities. I really enjoy my role as head frog student champion. Thank you for being.
Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Nur Najla Nabiha. Saya dari tahun 4. Hobi saya ialah melayari internet. Saya juga suka melayari Frog Asia kerana ingin mengetahui segala aktiviti sekolah. Saya berasa bangga kerana menjadi Frog Student Champion.
Hello, my name is Ashira Nabiha binti Zainani. I am from year 6. My hobby is surfing the internet. As for me, I like to surf Frog VLE website because there are many activities in the Frog VLE. I hope one day I can attend school without my books. Thank you, sir.
Hello, my name is Iqbal bin Ali. I am from Standard 6. My hobby is surfing the internet. I like to make Frog VLE because it can get for many information. I can connect to my friends and teachers using email. I would like thanks to Frog VLE for providing us wonderful program.
Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Nabaiti Suzaini binti Muhammad Hairul. Saya dari kelas tahun